You learned hace calor and llueve in Spanish class, but when you try weather small talk with native speakers, the conversation dies instantly. Here are 4 easy steps to talk about the weather in Spanish like a native speaker. Step 1, very easy. Learn the names for the 4 seasons: primavera, verano, otoño, invierno. That's spring, summer, fall, and winter. Step number 2, learn the expressions with hacer. These are impersonal expressions in which we conjugate hacer in the third person singular, hace. We have hace calor for it's hot, hace frío for it's cold, hace buen tiempo for the weather is nice or it's nice outside, and hace mal tiempo for the weather is bad. For hace calor and hace frío, we can also say hace mucho calor or hace mucho frío. We also have hace sol for it's sunny and hace viento for it's windy. Step number 3, learn how to use llover and nevar. When we are talking about right now, we have to conjugate estar in the third person singular, está, and then add lloviendo for raining or nevando for snowing. Está lloviendo ahora. It's raining right now. Está nevando ahora. It's snowing right now. If we are talking in general, as in it rains a lot in London, we have to conjugate them in the present tense. In the third person singular, that's llueve and nieva. It rains a lot in London. Llueve mucho en Londres. It snows a lot in Alaska. Nieva mucho en Alaska. So, summarizing with llover, when talking about what's happening right now, está lloviendo. When talking about general patterns, llueve. With nevar, when talking about what's happening right now, está nevando. When talking about general patterns, nieva. Step number 4, talk about the weather in your city. Practice this in the mirror. In my case, yo vivo en Madrid. En Madrid, en verano hace mucho calor. Y en invierno hace mucho frío. En Madrid no nieva mucho. Nieva más o menos una vez cada 2 o 3 años. Y cuando nieva, nieva muy poco. En otoño y en primavera llueve mucho. En general, en primavera, en otoño y en invierno hace buen tiempo en Madrid. A veces, en otoño, hace viento. Now practice with your own city. Where do you live and what's the weather like there? These are the same structures that Spanish native speakers use automatically. Master them and weather small talk will become effortless.